Most people find it difficult to solve problems of their life because they try and solve their problems like this. Life is not a maze, life is meant to be amazing. Convert all your problems into interesting challenges by raising your consciousness and awareness, and take conscious decision. You have answers, direction, guidance, and solutions in and through your subconscious mind, and you can get the guidance from your higher consciousness, provided you learn the art of bridging your conscious mind with superconsciousness. I will tell you how you could retrieve your answers, solutions, and guidance from and through subconscious mind through super simplified modern techniques which are super fast, super easy, and super simple. Let me explain to you, let me demonstrate that to you, and your life will never be the same again. What are you waiting for? Sign up right now.